want to give you guys a little look-see at what one application of 1801 plus a little bit of rain in the exact same day will do for you. Look at this. I am in the midst of filling up the big dog right now. This sprayer right here. Going out to spray 2 of my client lawns today. Both of them combined, 7,000 square feet lots, 14,000 square feet total. Today we're going to be hitting them with some 1801 and some dethatch. So real quick, let me go over the application rates for that. All right, so real quick, let me go ahead and go over my reasoning. So I want to go ahead and keep hitting it with the 1801 because 1801, as a business, it's one of those staple products that you can use, that you can go up or down with to compensate for stress periods and stuff like that. So it's an all-in-one, great product to be using to develop a little foundation in your program. So that's what we're going to be using for our fertilizer. And then for our specialty, let's see, where's it at? Oh, it's in my truck. See? It's in my truck. Let me grab it. It's dethatch right here. We're going to be putting this down at a rate of 16 ounces per 1,000. It's a great time to put this down right now because we have less rain, hot temperatures. Perfect time to digest all of that thatch and encourage more microbial activity in the soil. So yeah, those are our applications today. We're sticking to it. Let's get them down. It's like I threw the dice and lost it all. Oh, not good. All over my stuff. Oh, made a little bit of a mess. By the way, here's one of the reasons I really love Next products. As much as they seem like they stain, all it takes is a little bit of water and they come right up. No big deal. See that? Bam. Good to go. There we go. Sprinklers back on. As you can see, I'm also running the sprinklers today. Just painted the lawn black with another dose of Humic 12. Always fun to do that, especially when it looks like the lawn's stressed out a little bit. Just like Brad Huff says over at Green County Fertilizer. Paint it black and don't look back. Thanks for that, Brad. Sprinklers running, watering it in. I'm gonna let them run for a good while here. The lawn could use it, so yeah. While this is running, I'm gonna go ahead, fertilize these lawns, and that'll be it for today. When I'm around you, I get a bit nervous, like in a plane before it's taking off. Check this out. Look at that. It fits perfectly. How about that? That's pretty cool. It is strapped down, by the way, so all good there. And yeah. Here we go. I love these buffs. I gotta say, this is my second time since yesterday wearing the buff, and I kind of like it. So much cooler. It's nice. This is my first time actually doing a customer lawn with that tow behind sprayer, but you know what, it's a bit of a learning curve that I'm starting to master. So I figured, you know what, we're not spraying any pesticides or anything that can hurt the lawn, so why not? You know what I mean? It'll just be fun. So what we need to do first off is we need to consider these tight areas, right? Because obviously taking that sprayer here is going to leave a lot of margin to get these walls stained, so I don't want to do that. You know, I don't have a whole lot of margin for error here, if you will. So what I need to do, so luckily that sprayer comes with a spray gun on the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come on the sides here. I'm going to do all the tight areas first with the spray gun, and then once I get all the tight areas done, I can just go nuts. I can go nuts on this wide open land back here. So yeah, enough talking, let's get to work. You just blew my mind right now, right now, right now. One more night, baby, come and show me how, show me how. Dynamite.
Take your pick, take your pick, hit it.
All right, so here we are at the very first lawn that we treated about 3 or 4 days ago. I want to give you guys a little look-see at what one application of 1801 plus a little bit of rain in the exact same day will do for you. Look at this. Look at that. Look at how dark green this grass is. I mean, come on, just look at this. When we were here 4 days ago, you guys remember this lawn was a little bit stressed from that lower mowing that we've been doing to it, and that was with my other snapper mower. I'm still trying to figure out the cutting height on that, but other than that, look at that. 3-4 days already nice and green. This is the front yard. Just look at that. Here, let me turn it around. Trying to keep the angle similar to the back, trying to keep the angle similar to what we did last time, but you can see, oh, it's so green. And on top of that, we even put in that dethatch just to help break down any of that excess material. Side of the house here, this is where we did the spray gun. You can see this turned out really nice, growing very, very nicely. And this is the part I'm the most excited about, is the back. Look at this. Wow. Probably not going to be able to tell much of a difference since the sun went away, but oh, it's coming back out. Let me come back over here just to show you guys the color. Yeah, look at how nice and dark green that is. That 1801 does wonders, my friend. That's why I use it. It's good. Also, for those who were asking about this lawn and if we're going to flip around the colors compared to me and the neighbor, let's just let the results speak for themselves. This is 4 days after application. Looking good, looking green, looking beautiful. Look at this. My lawn, neighbor's lawn. My lawn, neighbor's line. My friends, the line has officially been reversed. Bam. Now you guys know why I like Greene County products. So look at that dark color. 1801 does wonders.
Dynamite, you just blew my mind.